Hi folks, we've just updated the meta box to allow users add new posts, taxonomies, or users right in the custom fields without changing the screen. For instance, I have some custom fields for the event post type like this. This field allows you to choose a post from the same post type to be related to the current post. Previously, you can choose only the existing post in the field. If you want to create a new post and choose it in the field, you must go to another menu, Create a Post. Then go back to this post editor. Only then there is the post on the list to choose from. It seems like you had to change the screen a lot. But from now on, it's not like that anymore. Just stay on this screen, you still can have a new post. After this update, you will see this, Add New button. The name of the button will be auto-updated based on the post type you set for the field. If you want a new post that does not exist on this list, just click on the Add New button. A pop-up will display. It's exactly the same with the post editor interface. Add information for the new post. Close the pop-up, and you will see the post will be chosen in the field automatically. Then, you also can see the post on the list of the event post type here. Beside adding new posts, you also can add some new taxonomies in the same way. It works even when the field is clonable. For users, you can add multiple new ones as well. The latest version of MetaBox includes this feature and is now on WordPress.org. After updating to the latest version, there will be a new option in the field settings. Just check this box to enable the Add New button. In the event that you create fields using code, you can add the Add New attribute. We believe that this feature will help you save a lot of time when setting some connections between posts, taxonomies, and users by diminishing moving to create a new one. Let's update MetaBox and enjoy. Bye.